Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Whoever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way.
Hey you guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another wig video for you guys. So today's wig is coming from OhMyPretty hair, and this is my very first time working with them, and I will say I'm very impressed. I absolutely love the quality of the hair. As you guys can see, it was super silky and just amazing. And then I also love the lace on the closure, so I'll give them a 10 out of 10. There was literally no cons for me personally. So I got the straight lace closure wig, and this is a 4x4 closure, which means there's 4 inches of lace across the forehead and then 4 inches of space to part it back. So a few specs on this wig: the length is 26 inches, the density is 180%, and the hair type is Brazilian. So that brings this wig to a total of $248, which is not bad at all. And I also have a code for you guys, and that is RM, and you can get $10 off your entire order. So with this hair, like I always do, I just put foundation underneath the lace, and I installed it with my black got to be glued gel and my yellow got to be glued spray, and that's literally it, you guys. So because of that, I will definitely deem this wig beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. You don't have to do much. Just install it and then use some foundation on your part and you'll be good to go. I think the number one thing with closure wigs is getting them as flat as you can, so I definitely recommend a hot comb for those and some got to be glued spray. So yeah, you guys, if you want to watch me install this wig from OhMyPretty hair, then just keep watching. I'll leave all the specs down below, as well as all the links and my promotional code for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on 'cause we're gonna be epic. Did the thoughts that we did the words that we said, it's from the love we never said, yeah, yeah. Simple for me to see you in, never would be never. The love that we had. Never say, calling me? Who'd ever thought that I would fall so easily? Who'd ever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Who'd ever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say now. Who'd ever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Who'd ever thought that I would fall so easily? Who'd ever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Who'd ever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe that you and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah, there were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby.